The first offline workshop after the pandemic finally held today on October 24th. This workshop, From Research to Innovation, carries the theme of the SND Experiences case study. With me, Rasha, let's explore through the Innovation Workshop. The Innovation Workshop, with the topic From Research to Innovation, case study of SND Experiences, was held on 24th of October in ITS Postgraduate Building. The HETI ADB Project ITS, the host of this workshop, invites Prof.Tadafumi Adschiri as a distinguished professor from Tohoku University. This workshop was attended by students and lecturers. With the case study of startup from Tohoku University, namely Super Nano Design Co or SND, Professor Tadafumi Adschiri interprets the importance of idea collaboration between industries and the urge to launch new startup companies to commercial the innovation.
In Tohoku University, we have some the experiences how to link the researches with the industry, so that we can exchange our information together to make a new kind of scheme to link the academia and the industry. Just the collaborations, that is the most important issues for developing the new kind of schemes, I think.
This workshop was held as a strategic step for the realization of ITS research products to improve the innovation capability of researchers.
Apa yang menjadi tujuan utama nanti STP itu bisa menjadi pusat untuk hilirisasi produk-produk hasil inovatif para researcher. Oleh karena itu kita juga ingin mendapat ilmu ataupun belajar dari pihak lain tentang bagaimana mereka mengembangkan dari riset menjadi produk inovasi dan akhirnya menjadi produk yang bisa dihilirkan, karena itu bukan sesuatu yang mudah. Bagaimana agar produk kita inovasi itu bisa dihilirkan dan bisa dikomersialisasikan dan bisa diterima oleh masyarakat.
By holding this event, it is hoped that this workshop can create many new distinguished innovations for Indonesia. I'm Rasha with all the ITS TV crew reported from the postgraduate building ITS.